I have had so much coffee today. If I'm talking extremely fast, I probably should show down. Discontinue this fiasco. All right, before we get started, I just want to ask you one question. Have you made yourself a priority today? Because you really should. All right, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christen Dominique. This is the very I got my peaches out in Georgia kind of a makeup look. I really like how this came out. It's very peachy, it's perfect for the season, and it's also all new drugstore and affordable makeup. When I find good drugstore products, I get so excited. I'm excited to get into this video, so if you want to see how all these products worked out on my face, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. The first thing I'm going to get into is the primer, and the primer that I am using today is from Milani. Milani came out with a bunch of these supercharged products, and this has ginseng in it and a citrus blend, so I'm just going to work that into my skin. I love how it smells. Sorry guys. Essence, which is one of my favorite drugstore brands, just came out with this pretty natural hydrating foundation. NYX came out with one. It's called Bear With Me Luminous Skin Serum, and this one is more of an actual foundation. I kind of want to use both. Apply some of that on my hand like so and work that into this part of my face. It looks about right. Okay, so that is one even layer on this side. Let's do one layer from NYX, and this is in the shade Universal Light Medium. That works, so you can just squeeze it out like that. Okay, that does nothing. Hold on, let me make sure. Shake it up. I know that it's not gonna do anything now because whenever I go like this, it just disappears. Let me try it again. Let me just try it on my face. This is definitely a serum. This isn't going to give you coverage at all. It's just gonna maybe give you hydration. I want a little coverage, so I'm gonna go back over here to this hand and add more. But I do like that dewy, glowy look it gives you. Not mad at that, it's just that it doesn't give me any type of coverage. I know E.L.F. already has like a really good, almost like Tarte Shape Tape Full Coverage Concealer, but this one is hydrating and it has a satin finish, so I was really interested to see how this one works. It has an interesting scent to it though, like a little bit of a chemical scent. All right, so this concealer is really nice. It's very lightweight. I feel like I'm applying everything with a brush today because I've just been liking it. Honestly, I love the precision and I like to have control of the shape of my face, like complete control, so a brush does that for me. I really like the satin finish to this concealer. It brightens without making your skin look dry, so I like it. It's a good one. This hydrating one you definitely have to try. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just get into my eyes. I'm so excited. This is the Colourpop off Melrose palette, and I think it's so adorable. I love the packaging. I love the color story. I have these two new palettes from Jen Atkin's collab with E.L.F., and I'm so excited to try them. They're first of all so chic. Look at this glass looking packaging. I love that. She has two palettes, these two. I'm gonna take this shade to set my eye so that we can make sure we don't have any of the creams moving around. They're like set in place. And I like this as a base color. It's very warm neutral, and I like that for my skin tone. All right, so now that we set everything in place, now I'm gonna go in with a crease color. This is just the perfect crease color. I'm gonna mix these two together and work that here in the crease. You don't have to go all the way out like I do. Fox eyes just look so good on my eyes. I mean, they look good on everyone's eyes, but I really like how it accentuates the shape of my eye. So I'm just gonna elongate there, but you can round it out if you want. And I'm gonna take a new brush because I have a little bit too much product on here. This is like a huge highlight brush, but it's gonna work really good at just diffusing this particular area right here. Then I'm gonna take this flat shader brush and just roll it underneath my lash line. I love this rustic looking color. This brush is from Sigma. It's a firm blender brush. I'm gonna go into the deeper tones. I'm gonna go into this reddish brown and work that right underneath the tan color. I'm taking a little bit of this dark brown right here, mixing in this red and working that into the outer V. I kind of want to bring it down and around to the outer corner now. I miss doing that, so we're gonna bring it down a little bit. So that is the smokiness. Now I'm gonna go into this off Melrose palette and pick up this really pretty color right here. It's called Brunch. It's like a rose gold kind of color. We're just gonna pop that onto the eye. I'm gonna take Angelino, this really pretty soft pearl shade, and pop it right in there. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of glitter because it does have a glitter in here and I love it. It's called Social Club. That is so pretty. So I want to work it on my look. I'm going to take the pigment brush and I'm just going to pick up some glitter and pop that on to the very center of the lid. Just so that like there's a little spotlight on the eyelid. Ooh, I like that. So now I'm gonna use Angelino on my brow bone because that is such a pretty color and I just want my brow bone to pop a little bit more. Oh, not that much, but I'll take some off in just a second. Take this dark brown in the light medium palette with the E.L.F. brow brush and I'm just gonna create a little flick for myself. A little more drama, a little bit more of a cat eye. I've seen this everywhere. I've been wanting to try it so bad. So cute. Ooh, interesting. This is what it looks like up close. First, let me curl my lashes really quick. Ooh, that's really nice. You see the difference? I like how it separates and like elongates them really nice. These are the Lunar Beauty ones in Nova. I'm gonna pop these guys on and I will be right back. Hold on, let me try something really quick. Ready? That was quick. Okay, so eyes are done and loving the way this peachy look is looking. Now I'm gonna do my contour. I have this little stick from Physicians Formula. It's the Sculpting Bronzer. So this one has jojoba oil in it and I'm gonna use that to structure my face a little bit more. This is actually a really good color for me. I'm just gonna blend this in going into my hairline. So it looks like it's coming from me. I feel like I'm creating a little bit of a beard on me right now, but hopefully we'll blend that out in just a little bit. Ooh, I really like this contouring stick. For a drugstore contour stick, this is really nice. I love that. I can definitely see the definition. Perfect color for contouring. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of a blush. This one is from Milani. It's a bright red one, but I really like it. It's called Cherry Issue. That's cute. I'm gonna use this brush right here and pop that on right on the cheekbone. Ooh, that's nice. You don't need much. I just like barely dip the brush in there and it picks up a lot of the products, so don't worry about really going in there whenever you use a brush. Nice, I'm gonna put it on my forehead area just so it looks like I have like a little bit of a suntan kind of glow. Like I just got out of the sun. And right on my nose, it's like we got a little sunburn, but it's cute. My skin feels so healthy, so glowy even. I really like how everything's going together. I'm gonna use the new E.L.F. Gen Atkin Face Mist. It smells amazing. Ooh, it smells like coconuts. I think I need to set my face at this time. I've been using a lot of creams. It's time to set it in place. This L'Oreal 24 Fresh Wear foundation powder is absolutely amazing. It's extremely full coverage. I'm gonna use that to set my under eyes. If you guys haven't tried this, you need to try this. Pat in like that and right in the center, so we're not oily looking. I could stop here. Actually, this is really pretty, but I just want to try it out a little bit. I want to try everything, so I'm putting everything on my face. So I'm just taking a tiny bit and going right over to set and to just add a little bit more color and punch to my cheeks. I love this. I didn't add mascara to the lower lashes, so let me do that. Really pretty. I like the way that looks. I'm gonna take this NYX Shine Loud Gold Crusher Lip Duo. I'm gonna take the gloss side. They're both gloss, one's clear, one's color. That is really pretty. We're just gonna put that on top. We are so glossy. And this is the final look. I absolutely love this. Let me know how you guys like it in the comments below. I'm gonna go and pose for you now to show you the full look. I'll be right back. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe. My face is in a circle down below. And if you haven't seen these two videos, check them out. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.